Hello everybody, it's Latoya here coming to you with another video. Today's video is all about some new products that I had the opportunity to try. Today's video is also brought to you by Curlfluence. If you don't already know, Curlfluence is a platform that partners influencers with brands so we can try out some brands and tell you guys how they are. And I think that's really cool because it's a way for you guys to get to know how some products work without having to spend your coins on them first. Today's video is, like I said, Curlfluence featuring curls. So this really cool box right here is the box that I received from Curlfluence, and the products that were inside were from the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar line. Yes. So again, this box is like super cute, super sleek. And when, I opened it up, hashtag Curlfluencer. So yeah, I thought this was a really great packaging, first off. Thank you so much, Curlfluence, for sending me these products. And thank you, Curls, for, choosing your Cashmere and Caviar line to be in this box. If you aren't already familiar with the Cashmere and Caviar line, this line is formulated for type 4 hair, which is always really great when we have brands that are like, hey, we know you need some products for your hair, so let's make some for you. So, and this line I've actually been like itching to try just because, a little curious how it would work. So yes, I did try it out for you guys and I'm ready to tell you my thoughts. So I followed the process that Curls suggested in terms of step-by-step of how you're supposed to use the products. And the first one is this one right here. It is the hair bath, which is basically their shampoo. But I actually really like the fact that they called it a hair bath because it sounds more luxurious, and that's actually how it feels on your hair. It's very luxurious. So before we get into that, let's get into this packaging. All of these products are made with these like sleek black and gold. Let me hold up another product so you can see. All the products are in this black and gold packaging, which is just super, super luxe and just looks really nice, on your counter or wherever you keep your hair products. So I really loved that. And like I was saying, the hair bath is their shampoo, and I'm gonna insert some clips as I'm telling you about these products so you can see what the consistency of the product is and how it actually worked on my hair. But I really, really liked this product. It's probably one of my favorites in the line. They say that their luxurious hair bath gently cleanses with active charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere and caviar extracts. It leaves hair looking and feeling silky smooth and cashmere soft, which I totally, totally agree with. My hair, after I washed my hair, it looked shiny. It had like a sheen to it, and it felt really, really soft, which is just so important when it comes to my kinky hair. I do not need anything that's going to dry out my hair. And again, this has charcoal in it, so that's why the coloring is black, which is just kind of cool, like when you squeeze it out and you see that. It felt really nice on my hair. It felt like my hair was getting really clean. And I was washing my hair after having braids in my hair for a month. So my hair hadn't been washed for a month, and it only took me like 2 lathers to be able to feel like my hair was clean, which I thought was really nice. Also super important, this did not strip my hair at all. It actually was pretty moisturizing, and when I was rinsing out the hair bath, it made my hair feel really soft, and I actually was able to start detangling with this in my hair. And which you'll see in the clips, it also made my curls start to pop, which is like crazy for me. Like a shampoo has never made my curls pop before. So I really like this product. Definitely one of my favorites. And in terms of smell, it's really interesting because all of the products in the line, in my opinion, have a different smell, which I feel like typically in product lines, all the products have the same smell. So I thought that was really interesting that they all had a different smell. So here I'm just showing you how shiny my hair is, how soft to the touch it is, and how my curls are already starting to be defined just after using a shampoo. So loving this product. So this, yeah, this hair bath, again, like luxury. It smells like a perfume or a cologne, but one that you would wear when you're like going out at night. If that kind of, you know, makes you picture the smell. It's kind of like a little sultry smell, but it's not super strong, but it's very like relaxing and luxurious. So I really like that. So this line does not have a conditioner, which made me a little nervous because usually I will shampoo my hair and then go into conditioning for detangling, but they go straight to deep conditioner. This is the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask, which was really great. I'll let you look at it. It's thick. That's how much I used. So I used quite a bit, like a quarter of it, I guess. Again, this has a different smell from the hair bath, which is really interesting. This is more of like a light and fresh smell with a hint of like, slight hint of fruitiness, but it's more light. This luxurious hair mask infused with cashmere and caviar extracts, antioxidants, and vitamins to strengthen and smooth your hair. It also helps repair any scalp damage and promotes faster hair growth and, of course, a healthier scalp. So I really, really like this deep conditioner. I left it in my hair for 30 minutes under a heating cap, and my hair felt really soft when I rinsed it out. And it also kind of had a little bit of that tingly feeling on my scalp before I had rinsed it out. So I'm definitely a fan of this. I definitely felt throughout this whole line as well, like the strengthening properties of the products. With the hair bath, and in addition to the hair mask, when I was rinsing it out, it felt like it was really like making my hair feel strong, like my hair didn't feel weak or brittle at all. So I definitely really like that about these products. So after the wash and the deep condition came the styling. Now this was the part that I was most hesitant and skeptical about because I'm just very particular about my styling products and I know what my hair needs. So I was a little nervous going into it. How my hair is now, this is the results of the styling. This is, I did it like last night, like in the evening, and then I woke up today and shaked it out, and this is the results of the styling. A very voluminous and soft to the touch fro. Here we have the Hair Silk, which is basically their leave-in conditioner. Now this product, the consistency of it, which you'll see in the clip that I'm showing you, but it's pretty light. I would say it's like medium to light. It's not a thick product at all. They say to drench your hair in cashmere, soften and moisturize dry, damaged tresses, leaving them healthy and manageable with bounce and shine. Plus the added bonus of slip. So yes, I definitely was able to detangle with this product. It had plenty of slip, definitely moisturized my hair. So how my hair is set up is the crown and the front section of my hair is looser and then the back is tighter curls. So when it came to the back of my hair, it didn't define my curls really at all. It just moisturized my hair. But when it came to the front section, it defined my curls a little bit. Ooh, this has a really fruity and sweet smell. It almost smells kind of like candy. This definitely went on my hair really smooth and definitely moisturized my hair for sure. The next product is the hair gel. They say to style while you reconstruct and strengthen your stressed and damaged hair. The smoothing hair gel has light hold and added sheen and definition. The consistency of this product is kind of light. It's like a creamy gel. I would say the smell to this is more similar to the deep conditioner. It's like a light fruity-ish scent. And this gel glided on my hair pretty well. I just, in some sections, had to add a little bit of water, but that's typical with a wash and go styling process. As I was applying it, I could tell I wasn't gonna have like super defined curls, but I also was able to tell that my hair wasn't gonna feel dry after applying that, so that was nice. definitely is a light hold. It's not, for my hair personally, it's not going to make it super defined and like freeze that curl into place, but it is a light and soft hold, as you can see here. And last but certainly not least is the hair serum. Now, I'm not really someone that ever uses hair serum, so I thought this was pretty cool to try out. It is formulated with cashmere and caviar extracts. This growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment is the solution for increasing hair growth and creating an unbelievable sheen. So that's really cool. I'll definitely be continuing to use this to see about, you know, that hair growth. So overall, I did really like this line. As I said, my favorites were the hair mask and the hair bath. I definitely will be continuing to use these products. My only thing is I wish that there was a curl defining cream or a curl pudding in the line. So maybe Curls will add in that product someday. But overall, I really liked it. And I like my results. My hair feels soft and moisturized and voluminous, so that's always a plus. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you to Curlfluence and Curls for this box. If you want to try out these products, head over to www.curls.biz, or you can find these products at your local Target. So definitely head over there and check them out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that button. What are you waiting for? You'll get to see some more reviews and tutorials from me, and click that bell button so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.